Screws under the tail light.
Open the tailgate and remove the plastic cover on the inside a bit. The cover is only mounted with clips. Then push the cover a little to the side and unscrew the plastic screw on the back. Then pull the tail light out of the quarter panel and unplug it. As soon as the tail lights are out, you can remove the screws underneath.
Bottom screws.
On the underside, the bumper is fixed to the trunk floor with 2 screws. Remove both screws.
Screws for the wheel arch liner.
The bumper is connected to the wheel arch liner by 2 plastic expansion rivets. First pull out the inner part of the expanding rivet and then remove the entire part.
Screws to the quarter panel.
If you then fold the wheel arch liner a little to the side, you can see the screw that attaches the bumper to the quarter panel. Remove screw. Now you can pull the bumper sideways out of the guide. If you have completed all the steps shown previously, you can now remove the bumper a bit and unplug the electrical system. It's best to get the help of a second person to remove the bumper.
General tip for reinstalling the bumper.
When assembling, remember to push the bumper back into the center guide correctly. Check the whole thing by closing the tailgate before screwing. The gap should be large enough and even. If the tailgate touches or the bumper waves, then it is not properly guided. When reinstalling, make sure that the tail light slides back exactly into the guide. It can be a bit of a gimmick before you can get the tail light back in properly. Good luck doing it yourself.